Hello everyone, I am Terry Brady. I am the Midwest Sales Engineer for LAKO Tool out of Perrysburg, Ohio. I would like to thank you for joining us for one of our 5 live demonstrations during PAC Expo Connects. I would like to begin by letting you know that we are going to be doing this as a presentation, so I will share my screen with you, and we will start with a brief history of LAKO Tool in case you are not familiar with us. For those of you not familiar with LAKO Tool, I will give you a brief introduction. We were founded in 1976, and we have been manufacturing aftermarket tooling for machine subassemblies, along with small machines related to the flexible packaging industry since 1981. Over the years, we've excelled as frontrunners in the industry, providing high-quality packaging solutions for sealing, cutting, and hole punch tooling for vertical and horizontal form, fill, and seal machinery. Due to our strengths in engineering and manufacturing, we are often assigned to provide challenging solutions in one or more of these areas. In addition, we pride ourselves on working as an extension of your team, tasked to provide solutions to problems on packaging lines, as well as find ways to reduce costs for your company. Now, the topic of this live demonstration is Eliminate Film Fractures, LAKO'S PSD Polymer Quick Change Seal Jaw Systems for Cold Seal applications on horizontal form, fill, and seal machines. LAKO Tool has been producing PSD polymer seal jaw systems for cold seal applications with a patented design since 1999. The polymer used in the seal inserts comes in various compressions to best accommodate the type of film and film thickness being run. The polymer inserts typically run on the lower jaw on the horizontal form, fill, and seal machines due to the location of the fin seal. In some cases, the fin seal may be formed on the top of a package, and in these cases, the polymer insert will run on the top jaw. In this demonstration, you will see that the polymer will help maintain consistent pressure across the seal surface by flexing over the critical transition point where the fin seal meets the horizontal seal. This transition point changes the number of layers of film from 2 to 4 layers. This consistent pressure will reduce the amount of film fractures in this critical transition point and at the end of the seal, as well as reducing or eliminating channel leakers due to improper pressure or film wrinkles in the transition area. As you can see here, this is the transition area where it goes from 2 to 4 layers. When zoomed in, the shape of the compression is visible. A cross-section of the package with the fin is shown in red. The green area illuminates the exaggerated compression of the polymer surface conforming to the shape of the package and closing off hard to seal channels. The PSD polymer sealing devices can also be supplied in our patented MSD modular sealing device inserts. The following animation will show you LAKO Tool's patented MSD jaws. As you can see, the inserts are only put in by 3 nuts per side, and you can pull the inserts off the base and replace them as needed. And this is an example of LAKO Tool's MSD system for changing between hole punch and standard seals. The PSD systems can also be used on the MSDs as well. It's called the PMSDs, and the polymer would be added to the seal surfaces here. I will now show you a brief video of sample seals being made with cold film on a test stand and the resulting seal. As you can see, he is rolling the sample film through the seal jaws in the cutter. And as you can see, there is a good seal. And demonstrated here, we'll show you the seal strength formed by the crimpers. And the following picture will show you the seal results that was shown in this last video. As you can see, the seals are formed along the length of seal on a consistent fashion, all the way across the length of seal. And you can see in the critical transition point, it eliminates the channel leakers by applying consistent pressure and allowing the seal to form across the fin seal. LAKO Tool also has other alternatives for cold sealing solutions to reduce fracturing and channel leakers. LAKO Tool has developed a bowl seal to use on steel crimpers in a cold seal application. We utilize We utilize bowed lower crimpers in both our patented MSD system and OEM style crimpers to help reduce the added pressure at the fin seal transition point. While this picture is an exaggerated example of the bow design, it incorporates a slight rounded relief on the seal surface on the lower crimper rather than a channel to reduce the pressure in and around the transition area. As you can see here, this is the exaggerated bow of the lower crimper. By having the relief occurring gradually with the bowing of the seal surface, it'll allow for the slight drift in the fin seal without the risk of having fractures occur due to the fin seal drifting across the channel. The depth and length of the bow will be determined by the film thickness and the width of the fin seal, as well as overall length of seal. LAKO'S is also working on a UAD, or a universal AdaptiSeal device. This utilizes a polymer material that can be used in cold seal and heated applications of up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This polymer will have the same compression characteristics of the PSD crimpers while having the capability of being run as a hot seal jaw. This material will give manufacturers the ability to run both hot and cold seal applications, as well as various different films that would require either different temperatures to create a good seal or that have varying film thicknesses. This concludes the presentation, and thank you for taking the time to visit our virtual booth for this demonstration of LAKO'S PSD Polymer Seal Jaw Systems. I hope you may see an opportunity for this system to provide you with a consistent seal quality, free of fractures and channel leakers. The PSD Seal Jaw System and bowed crimpers have provided hundreds of customers a reliable system to decrease the amount of package rejects due to improper sealing in the film seal transition area while running cold seal film.